welcome to Drive with Care. In this video, which I hope shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, we're going to go along the Alkham Valley road in Kent. Now it starts just off Whitfield at the north end of Dover, travels through Temple Ewell and River, and then just through the countryside till it comes out at Hawkinge, top of Folkestone Hill. Don't anticipate a lot of indication, but there's a couple of roundabouts at the beginning and the end, so we should do it there. Hazards, I anticipate vehicles coming in and out of junctions. That's all really. Can't think there'll be a lot of pedestrians. So triangles and circles for hazards and awareness. First roundabout then, we want to go right, so indicate. Clear to my right after the ford. Indicate off the roundabout. Right, we've got a bit of a hazard here. We've got a vehicle stopped on the left and lots of oncoming traffic. Well, this is a busy road. That was a hazard. That is really a hazard. It's not their right of way. Precarious driving. I can get through here because he's far enough away. Still racing like a nincompoop. You know, a little bit of give and take. No need to accelerate. Nothing at the zebra crossing. Pedestrians on the right there. But we go left towards River and Alkham. Height restriction sign, 11'6" or 3.5 metres. And that's because we have a railway bridge with a low bridge chevron. I think we'll get under this, don't you? Vehicle at junction. On the left is Kersney Abbey and Russell Gardens. So we have this lovely wall all the way around. This is a 30 zone. Children playing, playground sign. It's the summer holidays. So we could have kids coming out from the Abbey, summit of a hill. We've got Pelican Crossing, lights are green. Okay, that's out of the built-up area. Pretty straightforward from here. Just a windy country road. Going through a couple of little villages. Entering a 40 zone. Quite a few blind bends. And I guess the only hazard to be aware of here is if you've got a farm vehicle. Slow moving, and it's just at the other side of the bend as you drive through. And you plough into the back of it. Good use of the word of the farming implements, plough. Right, 50 zone, bends in road and potential horses. Horse riders. I'm actually still doing 40. Let's increase our speed. Let's play the game. Just to show that it is safe to drive at 50 on a road like this. Parked cars on the right. Blind bend. Dropping into a 40 zone. House entrances along on the left here. That's why it's 40, because there might be someone trying to come out. And if you're doing 50 and they don't see you till the last minute, then they'll pull out and you're doing 50, right? What have you done in the drought, in the heat wave we've had? It's supposed to be rain from tomorrow. And that's what we do in England. We talk about the weather. Look at that countryside. Quite hazy today. Excuse me. I've got hiccups. That could be a hazard. Okay, dropping into a 30 zone. This is a built-up area. So I'll drop down into 4th, I think. Let's see if the speed camera detects my speed and tells me off. Didn't flash, so I'm doing 30. Right, crossroads ahead. Children crossing. Chevrons. So lots of things to be aware of. This little zigzag bend. There's the crossroads. Oh, here comes the rain. We haven't had a drive with care in the rain yet. Pedestrians on the right. Just leaving the wiper blades on intermittent. Still doing 30. Car and a motorcycle behind me. I could anticipate the motorcycle will try and race past. Into a 40 zone. Quite a few hidden entrances here. There's a garden centre up ahead. Easily have a lot of traffic coming in and out of that. Road tells me that, or rather the sign tells me the road narrows. Still lots of indication for bends in the road. Yeah, lots of signs. Junction, horses, 40, unsuitable for HGVs. So it's 40 because of the built-up area. Back into 50. Come on, let's do this. 50 miles an hour. Well, I'm looking at the clock there. It says 7 minutes have passed. Might get this video under 10 minutes. Keeping a distance from the car ahead. No need to tailgate him. Chevrons, tight bend in the road. Drop down to 40. Don't need to apply the brakes. Accelerate into the bend. Clear that windscreen a little bit. Because that can be a hazard. You need to have a clear windscreen. Right, the motorcycle has passed the car that was behind me. He's right behind me now. I'm going to make sure that I give him some room, because he's going to go past me on this straight. I can almost guarantee it. Yep, here he comes. National speed limit applies. Oh, no leathers. That'll hurt if he comes off. So we're now in a 60 zone, but we're doing 50. Oh, biker. Risky business when there's oncoming traffic. And I speak from experience. I am a biker. I have a license. I have been knocked off my cycle once. Injured my shoulder. But I'm here to live, to tell the tale. Love motorcycling. That's it. We're at the end. There's a roundabout up ahead where I'm going to go off and on. Might even do another video about driving on the motorway. Watch this space. So that was Alkham Valley Road. Pretty uneventful, really. A few hazards to be aware of. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now, and drive with care.